This video will be on how to do a printout of a shared list that we've already created in the system. So from the welcome page, we're going to go to the core software. Where we want to be is this shared list, which you can select in this left-hand menu, or you can use the icons. So configuration, shared list. You'll see all the shared lists that exist in your system here. So you can click on them individually to select them, or you can click and drag to select multiple ones. Once you have which one you want to see, so like I'm going to do test list 2, then you basically are just hitting this print button, and then this is going to list out all the items that are in that shared list. From this page here, you can click this icon here to print out a hard copy. And basically, you have to do a printer on a piece of paper. This one, you can download an XML file of this information. And last one is if you need to send it to a technician for any reason, you can click on this one and send it to VersaCall. You would need to have VersaCall VT3000 set up with email as it already existing before you can do that. Once you're done looking at your data, you just close this tab or turn you back to this page. And this will conclude our how-to on how to print out a shared list. Look forward to talking to you again.